all that clown shit. All that clown shit. All that clown shit. Hey, stop real quick. Chill. Okay, like I want to let everybody know, right? Okay. Let's stay sitting with the old Sosa back, all that clown shit. Okay. 2017, I'm coming, right? I'm gonna let y'all know something. All these faggot ass niggas rapping today, shaking their booties and all that gay ass shit on beat until 2017. That's how long they got on my kids, on blood, on cap grade. 2017, all these faggot ass blonde head, pecan, orange head, okay, blonde head, pecan, orange head. Hey, they ain't finished shaking their ass though, you hear me? They can finish shaking booties. All that faggot ass shit is ending 2017. I swear to God, my dead homies, I'm gonna come back and go crazy. Y'all stay saying all that, all that. Okay. Sosa.